Hey editors, I am Apu. Today I will provide you Fictic like Thomas Shelby's The Immortal Man edit preset in Alight motion. And all the material I used in this edit in terms of clips, PNGs, audio and many more are uploaded in my Telegram channel. So without wasting your time, let's jump into the preset.
The upcoming Peaky Blinders film, The Immortal Man.
Yes.
And you will be returning as Thomas Shelby.